Good morning, Nana, all of you. So, remaining topics on trigonometry, transformation formulas. So, transformation formula first we have to write now. Transformation formulae. Trigonometry. On the concept of these problems today, we will start now. So, please inform to your friends, Nana, come to join the class. Formula to transform the product into sum or difference. First, we have to write that formulas. First formula, that is 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, third one 2 cos A cos B, and 2 sin A sin B, fourth one 2 sin A sin B. So this is the formula for transform the product to sum or difference. So okay, so that is sin of, first one is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. And second one is, what is the second one? Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. And next one cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. And last one is cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So now the formula, this is the formula for, these are the formulas for product into sum or difference. Product into sum or difference. Yes. Next one is, next set of formulas, all those you have to learn and write, Nana, then only the problems make you easy to solve in the objective session. So don't miss the class. Formulas now, second formulas, already these also you have to know, but once again we are writing formulas to transform into sum or product into sum or difference into product. Now second formula is formula for transform the sum or difference into product. Above the formula is product into sum or difference. Now second formula is sum or difference into product. That is the formulas are sin C plus sin D, and then sin C minus sin D, and third one is cos C plus cos D, and fourth one is cos C minus cos D. So first one, the formula is sin C plus sin D is obviously 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. And next one is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin of C minus D by 2. Yes. Next cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. And next cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. So this is the formula for transform into the sum or difference to product. Above formula is product to summation values. On the basis of this, some questions are there, so that the questions you have to write now. And the values also, you know that sin 15, cos 15, all those. Similarly, the values of remaining problems. So read the formulas, then only the problems makes you to solve easily to solve. Okay, on the basis of this concept, the problems in the examination are prove that the value is given that sin A plus first question, sin A plus sin 2A plus sin 4A plus sin 5A divided by cos A plus cos 2A plus cos 4A plus cos 5A. Find this value equal to dash. The options are given tan 3A, cos 3A, cot 3A, sin 3A. This is the question. So the simplification as per just we have learned that formulas only we can apply. Sin A plus sin 2A plus sin 4A plus sin 5A divided by cos A plus cos 2A plus cos 4A plus cos 5A equal to the value is in the form of out of 4. What is the value for this expression? So what we should do now, Nana? How to solve this question? Anybody get an idea how to solve? So please inform to your friends. Don't waste the class time. So listen and write and learn all those right in the classwork. So I will check on above reopen the day. Okay. All are previous past year questions only. That is the mains questions only. So don't waste time. Practice well. Okay, so I am converting the values by sin A and sin 5A as grouping and sin 4A and sin 2A I am grouping. Okay, that is sin 5A plus sin A I am regrouping, and then second one is sin 4A plus sin 2A. Sin 2A I am regrouping the question. So, and similarly cos 5A cos first and last and then remaining second. So that is also cos 5A plus cos A. I am writing regrouping the terms, and similarly cos 4A plus cos 2A I am writing. Now it is in the form of as per convenience. The formula is sin C plus sin D. Here also sin C plus sin D. So numerator is in the form of sin C plus sin D formula, and denominator is in the form of cos C plus cos D formula in the application. Okay. So that is to write sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2. So 5A plus A by 2, that is 6A by 2, nothing but sin 3A into cos 5A minus A by 2, 4A by 2. 4A by 2 nothing but 2A. So that is cos 2A. Okay. The formula is to write here 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, as well as cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. the formula can be applied. First one is 2 sine 5a plus a by 2. 6a by 2 nothing but 3a. And 5a minus a by 2 nothing but 4a by 2, that is cos 2a. And then next one also same thing. So 2 sine c plus d by 2, 4a plus a by 2. This is 4a plus 2a by 2, that is 6a by 2 nothing but 3a. And cos of 4a minus a nothing but 4a plus minus 2a, 2a by 2 nothing but a. And then divided by cos c plus cos d application. So 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. And then similarly this is also cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. In this numerator we have 2 sin 3a is common in the both terms. So then it is as to cos 2a plus cos a is remain. Taking the common for numerator is 2 sin 3a, and then similarly in the denominator as well as 2 cos 3a is common. Then you get the value as cos 2a plus cos a. So then the terms will be get cancelled above 2 terms. Then the 2 will be also get cancelled. Sin by cos, that is the answer, which is equal to tan 3a. Then the option is goes to first option. Okay. So tan 3a is the answer. This type of questions are giving in the examination. Okay. Formula based questions, but regrouping the terms as per convenient, then you get the values as to common terms. So make into odd as to even multiples. So sin a and sin 5a nothing but odd multiple. By adding you can get the value as even multiples. 5a plus a, that is 6a by 2, then you get like this. If it is a sin 2a plus sin a, you can get so 3a by 2, odd multiples will come. So submultiples will come. So that is why make it to regrouping the terms. Then the calculation part is very easy to solve. Okay, next go to the next one. Okay, are you following, Nana? Pranav, Deepti, Anirudh, Sarayu, Lalit. Where is Lohit? Lohit, are you present? Nishant, Nishita, Aditya, Deepti, Gayatri. Where is Nirali? Anjana, Soumya. Who is that? Ringtones, BVK, BGM, ringtones. Who is that? Where is Lohit? Pranav. Okay. Same thing, same concept based question, Nana. I'll write the next question, that is cos 18 minus the value of, find the value of cos 18 minus sin 18 equal to dash. The options are given as root 2 sin, root 2 cos 27, and the second option is root 2 sin 27, and third option is root 2 tan 27, and then fourth option is root 2 cot 27. Yes. Cos 18 and sin 18 just they are asking. So cos 18 value you know, sin 18 value also you know, then substitute in this, then you get the answer directly. Okay. The value is same. So just value, putting the values sin 18 and cos 18, then you get the answer. You get the answer as to root 2 sin 27. Sin 18 you know, cos 18. Cos 18 also you can know. But our convenience to write in the form of a calculation, just I am doing like this, converting as to sin 18 as in terms of cos. So the calculation make you to happy. So that is cos 18, keep it as same, Nana. Sin 18 I am writing as our convenience. That is sin of 90 minus 18 can be written as 90 minus 72. Then cos 18 minus sin 90 minus theta, obviously cos 72. Okay. So cos 72 the value. So now 72 we don't know. So this is in the form of cos C plus cos D. Then so that is 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus cos d, 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. Then it is goes to 2 sine 45, 90 by 2, that is 45. And then this is sine 54, that is 27. So sine 45 nothing but 2 into 1 by root 2 into sine 27. So that is root 2 rationalized. Then it is goes to root 2 sine 27. So that is the option goes to second option. Okay. So write in the common thing as two terms into convert by same method. So then you get the answers as directly. Just formula, that is 18 can be written as 90 minus 72 sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Now cos c minus cos d formula. Then substitute in this. Then you get the answer directly. Okay. Same thing. Another model question is also is there. Question number 3. In a quadrilateral ABCD, in quadrilateral ABCD, if sine of a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2, sine of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus sine of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2 equal to 2. Then find the value of, then the value of sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2, and then sine D by 2 is dash. The options are 4, 1 by 4, 2, 1 by 2. So Pranav, Deepti, Pranav Sagar, Sarayu, how? So just think about this problem, Nana, how to solve this question. Sin a plus b by 2 sin cos of a minus b by 2 into sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 equal to 2. So how to solve the equation? Amin Sheikh, are you following? Nishita, Nishant, Anirudh, Lalit, Aditya, Gayatri, Sindura, Deepti. Please maintain the notes, all these problems, past year questions, how solve and learn and solve. Okay, in a quadrilateral ABCD, sin of a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c plus d by 2 sin cos of a c minus d by 2 equal to 2. Whatever the relation is given, so first we have to observe this one. So if it is not there in before formulas, all those in the form of formula based nana, just we have learned formula in before that. 2 is not there to write the question. So that is why just I am doing the whatever the expression is given. Just multiply and divide by 2 to get the form of transformed formula. So that is I am multiplying divide by 2, as that is why I am dividing by 2, and then 2 into sine of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2, and then plus 2 into sine of c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. If it is 2 is not there, that means just I am doing the multiply and divide by the 2. So the value, so doesn't mean to change, that is equal to 2. Okay. So that is the value as to 2. Now, so the value can be changed into the bracket form. That implies, so now it is in the form of 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, which is equal to sin c plus sin d. In the place of we have a plus b by 2, then we can write as sin a plus sin b. And similarly, this is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Yes, Rohit, following. So then it is goes to sin c plus sin d. Okay, this just basic formulas. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Then it is goes to, the value is to nothing but sin c plus sin d for this expression. 2 sin a plus d by 2 cos a minus d, nothing but in the form of a and c. Where replace as to c and d. Here a and b are there. So then it is goes to sin a plus sin b plus sin c plus sin d, which is equal to 2 going right hand side, then it is goes to transforming to the right hand side. So 2 into 2 becomes to 4. Okay, the expression will be, just you have to observe 4 nothing but, so a equal to sin a equal to must be equal to 1, sin b equal to 1, sin c equal to 1 and sin d equal to 1. Then only the values becomes to 4. So each term must be 0. Just you think over, Nana, this value becomes to 1 and this value becomes to 1 and this value becomes to 1 and this value becomes to 1. By adding these, then you get the equation to be equated both sides. So therefore we can write as sin a equal to 1 nothing but, sin the terms of sin a as nothing but, that is sin a equal to b equal to c equal to d equal to 90 degrees. Okay, sin 90 is 1. Similarly, sin b place lo substitute cheyandi, then it is also 1. Sin 90 of c is also 90, that is 1. Sin 90 in the place of d also 1. So therefore we can substitute the value in the question is given sin a by 2, sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Find the value of this and then sin d by 2. Substitute in this one, then sin of 90 by 2 and then cos of, sin of, again the value is 90 only. So that is 90 by 2 here also. And then sin of c in the place 90. And then cos d in the place of 90 by 2. Then it is goes to sin 45 and then sin 45, sin 45, sin 45, sin 45. As how many times? 4 times. So 1 by root 2 whole power 4. So that is goes to 1 by 4. So then it is goes to root 2 power 4 nothing but 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 square nothing but 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, 2. 1 by root 2 and 1 by 4, that's all. So this value goes to this step. Okay. So just multiply and divide this, whatever the concept is, so question is given, this expression should be multiply and divide by 2. Then you get the value as 2 equal to 2. For this equation, every term must be 1, then the inequality goes to LHS equal to RHS. So that is why sin A equal to 1 nothing but A must be 90 degrees, B must be 90 degrees, C must be 90 degrees, D must be 90 degrees. Then it is goes to sin A equal to B equal to C equal to D, 90 nothing but sin A by 2, sin 90 by 2, sin 90 by 2, each and every angle substitute as 90, then get the value for 1 by root 2 whole power 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, next question is also this there. So the question is given that cos of A plus B into sin C plus D equal to cos of A minus B into sin C minus D. Then the value of cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. So the question is given, question number 4. So cos of A plus B into sin of C plus D, which is equal to cos of A minus B into sin of C minus D. Then the value of cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. Cot A, cot The options are given: cot A, cot B, cot C, and then cot D. So this is the question. The condition is if cos of A plus B sin C plus D equal to cos A minus B sin C minus D, then the value of cot A, cot B, cot C equal to dash. So the values can be transforming into same terms. Like term should be write as Nana. Cos of A plus B, I am writing this term can be down. That is cos of A minus B, I am writing. Similarly, this is sin of C minus D, I am writing, divided by this term can be down. Then sin of C plus D. Okay. So all terms as one side. So in terms of cos's as one side and sines as one side, cos A plus B down as to cos A minus B and sin C minus D downside by sin C plus D. Okay, now observe this, it is in the form of, what is the formula? Componendo and dividendo formula we have learned. In this type of question, solve with the shortcut is componendo and dividendo. Dividendo formula, that is if that condition is in the form of A by B equal to C by D, then we can write A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. This is the formula for componendo and dividendo. Now the formula can be applied here, then you get the answer directly. Now it is in the form of that form only. A by B equal to C by D. Then it is goes to cos A plus B as A, cos A minus B as B, and sin C minus D as C, and sin C plus D as to D. Now application to componendo and dividendo, then the formula can be applied here, then you get the answer directly. So that implies cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B divided by cos of A plus B minus cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B, then it is equal to sin of C minus D, C plus D by C minus D. That is sin of C plus C minus D in the place of C and denominator as to C plus D only now. Okay, right. C plus D and then divided by sin of C minus D minus sin of C plus D. Gayatri, Nirali, Aishwarya, Ami, Sindura, so are you following Lalit, Rohit, Lohit, present, Lohit is present in the class. Where is Lohit? Okay, then now it is in the form observe by observing. This is in the form of formula. So that is the formula. So that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That is the formula. We have 2 cos A cos B formula. Just now we have written as the formula in first for starting cos A plus B minus cos of A minus B, that is which is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. Just now we have the learned formula, that is the formula substitution, and numerator in right hand side numerator is in the form of sin C plus sin D, that is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B, nothing that it is 2 sin C into cos D and then divided by sin of A minus B minus sin of A plus B, that is minus 2 sin D into cos C. Minus 2 take the common, minus 2 sin D minus 2 cos C, or else cos C, whatever value. So or else minus 2 cos C into sin D. By cancellation the terms, 2 will be get cancelled, 2 will be get cancelled, minus also get cancelled, then you get the value as 2. The value is goes to cos A by sin A, which is equal to cot A. Cos B by sin B, that is equal to cot B, which is equal to sin C by cos C is tan C. Cos C by sin D is cot D. So therefore, so tan C can be written as 1 by then cot A cot B equal to 1 by cot C into cot D. Now cross multiply, therefore cot A, cot B, then cot C, which is equal to cot D. That's all. This is the answer. The value for given in the question. Option goes to D option only, correct answer. Just like term should be keep it as one side and applying the componendo and dividendo rule. Then the value is goes to simplification as by using the transform formula. So then you get the answers as to directly, that is the value for cot A, cot B, cot C equal to cot D. Okay. Yes, are you following, Nana? Give the response. Nishan, Deepti, Lalit, Pranav Sagar, Rohit, Aditya, give the response. Are you getting or not? Are you following or not? So try to solve these questions understood and then write the notes. So then you get ideas to practice well, Nana. Then there are so many questions are there. Just concept-wise questions I am explaining. Previous past year questions. So practice well, Nana, please. Yes, next question also is there. If sin A equal to sin B, if sin A equal to sin B and cos A equal to cos B, then sin of A minus B by 2 equal to dash. Then sin of A minus B by 2 equal to dash. So that is the question is given like this. If sin A equal to sin B, Pavitra, okay. Cos A equal to cos B, then sin of A minus B by 2 equal basic questions only. So whatever the conditions are given, you can take now. Sin A equal to sin B is given. That is why write as one side, and cos A equal to cos B is given. Now transforming into one side, then it is goes to sin A minus sin B equal to 0. So let it be equation number 1. Simultaneously this is equal to cos A minus cos B equal to 0. Now let us add the equation number 2. Now it is goes to formula first. Sin C minus sin D formula, that is which is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2 equal to 0. And then similarly this is cos C minus cos D, which is tan minus 2 sin of A minus B by 2 into sin of A plus minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2 equal to 0. So from this both the equations we have, which is common term for the both the equation, nothing but the common term is both the equations is sin of A plus B by 2 is both the common term. So which is right here, which is common for both the equations is sin of A minus B by 2 is common, which is equal to 0. That's all. This is the answer is sin of A minus B by 2 is nothing but 0. Okay, just formula substitution, Nana. Take the common term and then write the value as both the equations having the common term is this. So the value becomes 2, thus the value 0. That's all. Next concept, Nana, trigonometric ratios, multiple and submultiple formulas. So what is the formulas? Formula for multiple angles, multiple and submultiple angles. That is sin 2a is obviously the formula you know, but once again you have to revise sin 2a, which is equal to 2 sin a cos a, and then in terms of tan is nothing but 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a, and then second one is cos 2a, cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a, and then which is in terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square a, or else in terms of cos is 2 cos square a minus 1. In terms of the value is write as uh, tan term, that is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, and then third one is tan 2a, which is substituting in the form of tan of a plus b replaced by a, then you get the value as tan 2a. Similarly, cos of a plus b formula, b has to replace by a, then the value is goes to this formula. And then sin 2a nothing but sin of a plus b, instead of b you can write sin a, b equal to a, then you get the value of sin 2a, that is tan a plus tan b by tan minus tan a into tan b. So here we can write as 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square as 1 minus tan square a. Don't get confused, Nana. 1 minus tan square a is tan 2a, and then 1 plus tan square a nothing but sin 2a. Okay. So this, then go to the next formula. So that is sin 3a. All are you know, but once again sin 3a nothing but 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and then cos 3a nothing but 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, on the basis of this formula some problems I will give you. So tan 3 also you know, that is tan 3a which is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. In the place of cot also 3 cot a minus cot cube a minus cot 3a, which is equal to cot cube a minus 3 cot a divided by 3 cot cube a minus 1. So this is the formula for cot 3a, sin 2a, cos 2a we can written as, okay. So on the basis of this, some problems are given in the relations. So set of questions I will write now. Sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos theta. Matching problem, Nana. This is sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. And then second one is sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. And then second one, that is third one is 1 plus sin 2 theta minus plus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta, and then fourth one is cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus sin 2 theta, and then question number 5, that is cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. These are all objective questions which is in the form of matching type question. So I will write only the question, so you have to solve this. So options are given: tan theta, cot theta, tan theta by 2, tan pi by 4 minus theta, tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2. The options are like this in the right hand side, but the questions are this like this. Okay. Sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta, and similarly that the value. What is the question for this, Nana? So what is the first question answer? Anybody get the answer? Just simplification only. Nishant, Nishita, Lalit, what is the answer for this first question? Pavitra, Deepti, Pranav Sagar. What is the first answer? What is the first answer? Nishita, Nishant, what is the first answer? Lohit, Gayatri, Deepti, Sindura, Aditya. What is the first answer? Sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Lalit, Pavitra, Deepti, Rohit, Aditya. First answer, Nana, are you getting or not? Just formula substitution. Just formula substitution. Anirudh, tan theta, yes, correct answer. Tan theta, super. First answer, tan theta. 45 not there means tan theta not 45, Nana. Nishant, only just tan theta answer. First answer only tan theta, okay. So this is the answer is goes to tan theta. Yes. Second one also try yourself. Cot theta, yes, super. Yes. Right, this is only for objective, that is in the matching type questions are given. Second answer cot theta, yes, super. Sindura. Yes, Nishant. So first one is sin 2 theta, Nana, that is 2 sin theta cos theta formula divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta, obviously 2 cos square theta. Why? Because then it is in the just now we have completed 1 plus cos 2 theta, which is equal to, here also we can write 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a, as well as above formula, that is 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. This is the most frequently using formula. So that is new 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Then simplification, that 2 will be get cancelled, cos term will be get cancelled. Then you get the value as sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. That's all. And similarly, numerator second one also 2 sin theta cos theta divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta is obviously 2 sin square theta. Then 2 will be get cancelled, sin term will be get cancelled, cos by sin, which is equal to cot theta. Yes, cot theta is over. Sorry, you completed. Anirudh completed. Good. Aishwarya, cot theta, super. Next, similarly, 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. So regrouping, Nana, first, just now we have completed 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos theta, we know that. So that is why convert by regrouping 1 plus cos 2 theta, keep it as one side, sin 2 theta as one side, and the same thing as to 1 minus cos 2 theta as one side, 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. Just now we have completed So 1 plus cos 2 theta, which is equal to 2 cos square theta, plus sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta divided by, and then 1 minus cos 2 theta, just now we have completed, that is 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So numerator is goes to 2 cos theta is common, then cos theta plus sin theta, and then denominator as well as common, that is 2 sin theta is common, that is sin theta plus cos theta. Now cancelling the terms as 2 terms, and 2 will be get cancelled, then it is also a cot theta answer. So this one is also cot theta. Answer is cot theta. Second one answer cot theta tan theta. And then fourth answer is yes, Sindura. Who is Sindura Nana? Who is actual name is what? Sindura means? Okay. Oh, I understood. Okay. Fine. JM2. Okay, fine. Tan pi by 4 minus theta, Sindura. Okay, right. Cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta. Tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Okay. Cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta. So which is, yes, JM1. Okay, Nana. Okay, fine. Cos 2 theta nothing but cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by, which is equal to 1 plus sin 2 theta nothing but 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta. So numerator is of the form, fifth question I will afterwards I will write, now just I am erasing, afterwards I will write cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. So numerator of the form cos theta a square minus b square, that is cos theta plus a plus b into a minus b, cos theta minus sin theta. As well wish Nana, how many as your convenience you can solve. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is obviously 1, that is why I am written like this, and sin 2 theta is like this, a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is sin theta plus cos theta, or else cos theta plus sin theta whole square. Cos theta plus sin theta, a plus b whole square or b plus a whole square, both are same. So this term will be can get cancelled, that is equal to cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta, which is equal to formula is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So tan of pi by 4 minus theta formula. Okay, if you don't know, you can write now. So that is cos theta minus sin theta is cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta, which is equal to, in terms of tan, that is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. And then similarly cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta, which is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Both are the formulas are just minus is there, you can write here minus. If it is positive here, then you write as tan of pi by 4 plus theta. Okay. Same thing as to fifth question is remained. Question number 5, that is same method Nana, cos theta by, which is cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. Same thing Nana, same process. Whereas cos 2 theta we can write as cos square theta minus sin square theta. And then here also cos theta nothing but cos square theta by 2 you can write. And same thing cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 by sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta. In half angle formula you can write, then substitute. Then also here the value is nothing but tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 is the answer. tan of pi by 4 minus just e plus by in the before problem cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta is there, but in the place of cos theta by 1 plus sin theta, so just multiple angle is not there, make it to half angular formulae, then the answer is goes to tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay, that is the same process. Now I am not writing, you have to try yourself. Whereas write as submultiple angle by 2, theta by 2, cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 divided by 1 sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Like that only you can write that. Same process, then you get the answer as it is. In the place of theta, 2 theta, here theta is there, so answer in terms of theta by 2 you can write. And the remaining next question is there, same concept question. The value is sin A equal to, the value is given 3 by 5. Same conceptual question, that is, what is the value for 4 cos square 9 minus 3 into 4 cos square 27 degrees minus 3, which is equal to dash. The options are tan 9, cot 9, cos 9, sin 9. The options are like this. 4 cos square 9 minus 3 into 4 cos square 27 minus 3 equal to dash. Answer in terms of tan 9, cot 9, cos 9, tan sin 9. Nishita, Nishant, Anirudh Kulkarni, Pranav Sagar, Lohit, Deepti. How to solve this question? Observe, follow the which formula can be application to this problem. Gayatri, Aishwarya, Vaishnavi, Nirali, Anjana, Soumya, Bharati. Where is Bharati? Bharati. Four cos square 9 minus 3 into 4 cos square 27 minus 3. So by observing which formula is in the form, it is of the form cos 3a. Okay, I am thinking like that. So that is the formula is cos 3a. We know that. That is, we have the formula cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So that is the formula. It is in the form of this. By observing the question, therefore, so that we can write as from this I am taking common as cos x, I am taking common here, then 4 cos square x minus 3, that is cos 3x. Therefore, 4 cos square x minus 3 can be written as cos 3x divided by cos x. Yes, is it correct or not? Give the response. So by using the formula which is equal to cos 3a, then it is I am going to write as cos x I am right hand side I am taking the common as cos x, then divided by cos 3x down by cos x equal to cos 4 cos square x minus 3. So now substitute, put x equal to 3, therefore 4 cos square 9 minus 3 into 4 cos square 27 minus 3, which is equal to, we have to write. So that is the value, which is the value is equal to 4. In the place of x we have 9. Then we can write here, put x equal to 9 is there. X equal to 9 is there. The value is nothing but one side as x equal to 9. And similarly afterwards x equal to, we have the value as 27. Now substitute in this form as cos cube, cos 3x by cos x we can apply. Then you get the answer directly. That's all. So that is cos of first place 3 into 9, that is cos 27 by cos 9 into, and 27 nothing but 27 into 3 cos 81 divided by cos 27. Okay. Now substitute in this formula as this above formula as cos 3x by cos x. In the place of x we have 9, and another time in the place of x we have 27, that is by 3 9 the 27 by cos 9. Next one is 4 cos square 27 minus 3, nothing but 3 into 9 27, that is cos 81 by cos 27. Now cancelling the terms, cos 27 is cancelling, then the value is nothing but cos 81 divided by cos 9, but the answer is in terms of either tan, quad, cos, sin. So that is you can convert by cos 9, which is equal to sin 9, complementary angles, that is cos 9. So therefore sin 9 by cos 9, which is equal to tan 9. The option is as to first option. That's all. First one is goes to the complementary angle, Nana. This value is equal to this complementary, a plus b equal to 90. Then it is goes to complementary, sin 90 minus 81 can be written as 90 minus 9. Then cos 81, which is equal to cos of 90 minus 9, cos 90 minus theta, which is equal to sin theta. So then complementary angle, the answer in the form of, so up to this the problem is over, but options are in the form of tan. So you can send into cos 81 can be written as complementary angle concept, then the value is sin by cos, which is equal to tan 9 degrees. Then option is goes to first option. That's all. Okay. So alpha, beta and the two different roots of the equation a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c. Then prove that tan of alpha plus beta equal to dash and cos of alpha plus beta equal to dash. The value is given. Question is like this, Nana. So tan of the last question now. Alpha and beta are two different roots of the equation a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c. Then prove that the value is nothing but tan of alpha plus beta equal to dash, and second one is cos of alpha plus beta equal to dash. Then the value has to be prove that if alpha comma beta are the two different roots of the equation a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c, then first one value tan of alpha plus beta equal to dash and cos of alpha plus beta equal to dash. So what are the conditions are given? First you have to write solution. So given equation is a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c. For this equation, what are the roots? Alpha and beta are the roots. So therefore, alpha and beta, alpha comma beta are the roots. That implies substitute in the place of theta we can write as, if equation is satisfies, then the place of we can write as a sin cos alpha equal to a cos alpha plus b sin alpha equal to c. In the place of theta you can write as alpha. Similarly, beta is also root nothing but a cos beta plus b sin beta equal to c. Okay. Then the equation, this is as to first equation, then the equation as to second equation. Okay. So why? Because we are writing these are the roots. Roots nothing but equation will satisfy. In the place of theta we can write as a alpha. And second equation is in the place of beta we can write as beta. Now subtracting. Now subtracting equation 1 and 2. Then you can get as subtracting means a into a is common, cos alpha minus cos beta plus b into we can write sin alpha minus sin beta equal to value c minus c nothing but 0. Okay. So now I am writing the equation can be changed into this, the value is nothing but sin alpha minus sin beta cos alpha minus cos beta a times. Now substitute the formula whether it is a into cos of alpha minus beta which is equal to 2 into sin 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into sin of alpha minus beta by 2 equal to, minus is there, send into this sign, Nana, that is why I am writing equal to. Here minus will come, so right hand side I am sending, so that is by b times of sin c minus sin d, then it is goes to 2 cos of alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Now cancelling the terms, whatever the terms will be get cancelled here. Cos minus 2 sin 2 cos this, cos c minus cos d formula 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 cos, and here this is sin c minus sin d, that is the formula is to write 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin of alpha minus beta by 2. Now cancelling the terms as to sin alpha minus beta by 2 will be get cancelled. So 2 also will be get cancelled. Then the value is to sin by cos nothing but tan of alpha plus beta by 2 which is equal to b by a. Okay, the value we got as some value is tan of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to sin by cos equal to b by a, that value, that's all. Now sin of alpha plus beta you can find out first, then you get tan. First now sin of alpha plus beta, the value sin of alpha plus, so that is sin 2a in terms of tan formula. Sin 2a formula in terms of tan is 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a, whereas sin a nothing but we can write as 2 tan a by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square a by 2. In the place of alpha, in the place of a, we can put as alpha plus beta in the expansion. Then the value is goes to, this value is 2 into tan of alpha plus beta divided by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square of alpha plus beta divided by 2. Okay, then it is goes to tan b by alpha plus beta by 2. We can have the formula as b by a, and then 1 plus b by a whole square. Then it is goes to 2b by a divided by a square plus b square by a square, which is equal to, therefore sin of alpha plus beta we have the value is by cancellation of a, then the value is goes to 2ab by a square plus b square. And then tan of, first question is asking, in the first question we have in the question is Tan of alpha plus beta we have to know. Tan of alpha plus beta nothing but in terms of tan 2a. So tan 2a nothing but 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So now here we have to write as tan a. Tan a nothing but 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square of a by 2. So in the place of x we can write a equal to cos of alpha plus beta. So that is to write now 2 tan a by 2. That is tan of a plus b by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square of alpha plus beta by 2. So which is equal to 2 tan of alpha plus beta by 2 nothing but 2b by a by 1 minus b square by a square. So which is equal to 2ab by a square minus b square. And the second question is given in the question as cos of alpha plus beta. Cos of alpha plus beta nothing but 1 minus tan square a by 2, that is 1 plus tan square of a plus b by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square of alpha plus beta by 2. Why? Because this is in the form of cos 2a. This is the formula can be applied here. This is the formula can be applied here. This is the formula. Then cos of alpha plus beta by 2 nothing but cos 2a in terms of cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a in terms of tan. Now substituted as cos a equal to 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square of a by 2. So in the place of a we have alpha plus beta. Okay, then substituted all these. In the place of alpha, then substituted alpha plus beta, then it is 1 minus b square by a square by 1 plus b square by a square, which is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. This is the answer. Okay. This type of questions are in the objective model. Okay. Practice well, Nana. Okay, right. Thank you.